This guide shows you how to get your cursor in the right place on an iPad. So you might find that in some cases your cursor here, you perhaps want to move it backwards, forwards, up or down, and sometimes it's difficult to do that by tapping alone. So what I found is on the iPad you can do this in a couple of ways. I mean, one way is just tap and hold your finger on the screen and then you can move the cursor around the screen. But if you find that is not possible, say for instance we've typed in a search result and we want to alter that. Now we might find that it's difficult to get it in the right place. I want to change NWS to news and it's just so fiddly to get it in there. So another way of doing it is if you tap and hold two fingers on the keyboard like so, the keys disappear and you can actually use the keyboard like a trackpad on a laptop, and then when you get to the place that you want the cursor to be, just let go of the keyboard and there you go, you can then type that in. So there you go, just a couple of ways that you can navigate your cursor on the iPad. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for watching.
You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.